Harry and Tash, you're up.
The week that was. Kitchen.
Welcome to my kitchen.
This week, Harry and Tash played the extra long game.
I don't know how big it is compared to the others, but we definitely got a long bench here.
So our bench is 4.3 metres long.
And Harry knows what else every kitchen needs.
Thousands of dollars worth of coffee machine.
Yes. What about their secret weapons?
We're doing a ducted vac system with the retractable hose.
So, are they confident?
We'll see what happens. It's all about what the judges think and they can see the vision of what we're trying to do. I think they'll be quite impressed with it.
Look at the size of this.
That's insane.
Look at this island bench, said Shaynna.
This is a catwalk.
It is.
Sorry, I'm just picturing your house parties where you're walking up and down here.
Pretty much.
What is it, 4 metres?
4.3?
4.3? Darren thought this room was feeling quite different to the old part of the house.
The new section of the house, this colour scheme from the bathrooms really ties these two spaces together.
Shaynna agreed, coming from the old to the new, and boom!
That's what it's like. It is so different. It is so magnificent.
The proportions, the generosity of this kitchen. If I had to sort of describe what is the perfect kitchen for now, for 2020, it would look something like this. It's got that sort of Scandi utilitarian, that sense of functionality, but it's got all the touch points of luxury as well.
Shaynna found a lot to love also.
We've got this beautiful floor. It's a very soft oak floor. It sort of disappears that you notice this beautiful timber and this profile so much more.
I think it actually works very successfully.
And this choice of stone, like it's got so much texture.
And she really loved the sink with the sliding panels.
What is that?
Oh, they're just...
How cool's that? Yeah.
I love it!
And here's one for you, Dirty Harry. Oh. Darren Palmer and Neil Whittaker both think the coffee machine is magnificent.
Thank you.
Thank God.
Melbourne boy has brought the coffee.
And looking at the functionality of the layout, Shaynna went looking for the bin.
So you're cutting, you're prepping. I just want to... It's a bin, remember?
Yeah,
How
yes.
many years have we been doing this and people forget the bin?
There's 3.
There's 3. She hasn't got into the butler's pantry yet.
Okay.
Do we have dishwasher?
Dishwasher, yeah.
So we've got our little zone here.
I mean, you've got some serious kit here too with the Neff induction cooktop.
Shaynna did pick up on a couple of minor issues. She thinks she should have gone for a tap in the same gunmetal finish as the handles.
You can get taps in these colours.
You can.
You can.
See, I must admit, to me, that's like a family of metals that work. The gunmetal, the chrome and the black.
I'm nitpicking, but I must say, I would not have done that combination.
Okay. This would have been nice in gunmetal.
Yeah.
You're right.
Or something that just makes me happier. Just look behind your feet.
Oh, what is this?
Well, you just sweep the crumbs in there into the ducted vacuum.
Ducted vacuum?
Yeah.
I like that. I like
I
that
love
very
that.
much. There's a lot to love in this kitchen.
That's a game changer, Harry, isn't it?
It is, Scotty. It is.
Darren Palmer thinks the kitchen needs lots of power points.
You know, we've got power for the coffee machine, we've got power here to service that little section, power there, we've got power at the end, so everywhere you want to cook and
Yeah.
prep, you have
Yeah.
power, so that's
Yeah.
great. But we also have said over many years that this sort of setup, where you're sitting here, is where you want to be tapping away. What I'm not
power.
seeing here is a PowerPoint.
And that's an issue for him because that's where many people choose to work these days, especially nowadays.
Yes.
There is one there, but we couldn't get it there because of the cabinetry. But we were provisioning one there.
So there isn't one there.
Well, there will be one there.
Good explanation, but there isn't one there.
No, not right now, no.
Into the butler's pantry.
not just like a little service area because that kitchen is so big. It doesn't have to be a massive butler's pantry.
But it does its job. This is exactly what a butler's pantry is for.
And it's just right.
Glass shelves are lovely too. I love these. I like the combination of the black frame with the glass shelves.
Yeah. You know, is that a dishwasher or is this a dishwasher?
Yeah, this one's the dishwasher.
Oh, and bin. Hallelujah.
Again, complete cleaning zone.
Darren's only question mark, you could have had a more functional pantry if you had shelves or drawers that pull out.
Everything that's behind that panel is not accessible on an everyday
No, Darren,
basis.
the panel only comes to here. It's very easy to grab everything. Nothing's hidden behind here.
Mate, you went up to the elbow just then.
Oh, look, it's easy.
Look, it's your armpit.
On face value, Darren thinks you delivered up an almost perfect kitchen this week.
Everything in here looks, presents, and is pretty much perfect.
Wow.
I agree.
And there's nothing apart from some very minor nitpicking that they could find today.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Yeah, well, happy with that.
Can I say, I actually said to Dad when we were putting the PowerPoints in, we need to put 2 PowerPoints there. Did he listen? No, he didn't. You don't. Why do you need 2 PowerPoints and a bench?
I don't remember she said that, but...
Oh.